how to undo your mistake by shaking your phone on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, you want to swipe up to go down and tap on Accessibility. Next, go down and tap on Touch. Then go down and tap on Shake to undo. Make sure the Shake to undo is turned on. Then from here, you can shake to undo your typing mistake, or if you accidentally delete an email, you can also shake to undo. So for example, if I do some typing here and I want to undo that, I can shake and then tap on undo, and that will allow me to undo my typing. If I accidentally delete an email, I can also shake to undo. And that is how you can perform shake to undo if you accidentally delete something or you perform an action that you not intended. You can always shake to undo. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.